Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is 10:09 a.m. on June 19th, 2025. And the euro dollar is basically consolidating at this point. We did call it. We said yesterday that the marketplace had to get over 115.32. Notice the rally that we had occurred right up to that point, and then the breakdown. We thought that it would actually hold a 114.72, slightly drift down a little bit lower to 114, 114.45-ish. All right, so where do we stand right now? Well, we got a lot of problems going on in the Middle East. We're thinking that the U.S. is definitely going to bomb Iran, which I'm not really too wholeheartedly excited about. Never really like war, but I'm just baffled by, like how these developments occurred. I really am baffled by it. It seems like the playbook is always the same. It's always the same thing. Weapons of mass destruction. They're going to happen tomorrow. We need to kill these people today. I don't know. I mean, I'm not into it at all. But technically speaking, the euro dollar right now as it stands, I'm going to move this down to, let's see. I'm going to move it down to 115.10. 115.10. As it stands right now, I'll take 115.11. As it stands right now, the euro dollar has to get up through this point right here. It's going to have resistance naturally at this area, which is not very far away. It's like 115.40. But if it can stay in this area like this, bounce back up and take out this top, most likely we're heading back to the 115.72. And there's a lot of, like, all in this area. If you look at this top, let me just get another circle over there for you guys so we can point it out. And obviously, this top right here, two important points for the euro to actually get back up over to show that it is moving back up into a very strong trend, right? So right now we're sitting right at 114.77. Got to get over like 115.10. I would think the first indication that potentially it's going to happen is if we can get a rally over, say, 90. I'm going to go right here. I mean, everything's really tight right there. 114.95 would be the first area. If you're a euro bull, you want to see us recover over that. You want to see us pop over 10, and you want to see it hold the line of the ultimate low that we have right now on the short term. This is a 4-hour chart. We want to see it hold the 114.40. This is the scenario I'm thinking about. Since I keep telling you I don't actively trade this. I trade sterling yen and euro yen, which actually popped really, really well off of a support point, especially euro yen. This is what I would be thinking about. Let me get rid of these arrows, and let's just go over a couple of scenarios, how I would look to handle it. Then it's just me. Who the heck am I? I mean, just a 30-year veteran. But this is what I would look over. Let me change this color to something. Okay, so that's the first level that we need to get over to show strength. Okay, so if I'm a euro bull, all right, what I'd want to see happen is I'd want to see it come up through this level, maybe hit this, come back down, maybe trade down through it a little bit, maybe into this area here, holding this low. This is the most important low we got right now. If we break up through 90, this level's got to hold, okay? So I would expect it to come up, come back down, come back up, break through the 115, say 10, come back down, use this area as support to come back up to potentially take us higher if I'm a bull. That's what I want to be looking at. Okay, I know that all importantly that this area down here is the most important point. So what happens? What if? Well, what if? Let's get rid of this stuff down in here. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so secondary scenario. Market comes up, right? It's actually should be coming up here. Comes up, breaks through this, comes up through this, comes back down through that low. That is a sign of real weakness. That's what I got going on in the euro dollar today. And if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Tell me what you think, how you're trading it. If you're a euro dollar bull, bear, is the top in the euro? Are we heading lower? Is it just consolidating for a rip up? Let me know in the comments. I look forward to seeing you and talking to you soon. And remember, you could always head over to Park Avenue Trading and get yourself a free ebook. And as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.